Model 2020 Renault TRAFIC long wheelbase minibus diesel LL30 Energy dCi 120 business 9-seater non-runner absolute bargain grin. Body white minibus. Mileage 117,175. MOT the 21st of January 2024. Engine 1997 CCM 920-120 Energy E60. Transmission 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner, the engine is seized, locked, it will either need repairing or replacing. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear seating area is very clean. Features: 0 former keepers, cruise control, air con, electric windows, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £16,350. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199972. 3